Tom Brady cracks joke about Julian Edelmans' quarterback skills. Tom Brady has seen quite a few quarterbacks come and go through Foxborough during his nearly two-decade stint with the Patriots. From Matt Castle to Brian Hoyer to Jimmy Garoppolo, several signal callers longed for playing time in New England as a result of Brady's maintained success. But one QB, the Patriots effectively took a flyer on Julian Edelman when they drafted him in the 7th round of the 2009 NFL Draft. The pick certainly, to be fair, an Edelman pass helped Brady earn one of his 6 Super Bowl rings. The Super Bowl the Patriots rarely task Edelman with showing off his arm, but it's safe to say number 11 can let it fly when called upon.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.